Hey Patrick, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support, and from what I understand, is you have these two pages, and you have two pages on your account. By the way, you can only have like one. So you want to make it one so that basically you can have desktop and then mobile views instead of having two pages. So like I said, you have to use one page for an order form. So it's good that you asked this question. So let's go into doing something like this. So let's say on a phone, you don't want to have this show up here. So what you're going to do is go to settings and give me a second. Let me bring this up down. All right. So you're going to see where it says all mobile and desktop. So if you want this then to show up on mobile only, or let's say desktop only, just as an example, you put it on desktop only. Okay. Now what will happen is when someone opens up, he's not going to see this one on his mobile at the top. And then if you want to like create this one at the bottom, you can do the same thing, and then you can put it to, give me a second, put it to mobile view only. All right. So when someone actually opens it up, they will not see the top, the top Patrick Street at the top side. They will only see it at the bottom. Yeah. So um, so that's basically it. All right. There's no like nothing really special about it. You just choose which one you want to show up, and you just kind of do it as you go along. So you can put it on mobile, you can put it on desktop, you can put the whole, give me a second, you can put the whole row, like the whole thing, to show for only mobile, and voila, now you have only mobile. You can put it to desktop only, you can put it to all. So you can do it for everything. You can do it for the blue ones, which are the rows. You can do it for the elements, and so on and so forth. So I hope this answered your question. Yeah, you do not have to have like two pages. You can just have one and put it um, on either desktop, mobile, and or whichever you prefer. It's completely up to you. Bye for now.